Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video VersAttach Trimmer Attachment, Operation and Maintenance. For information regarding the power head or other attachments for the VersAttach system, see the appropriate video. For your safety when using any of the VersAttach attachments, read all of the safety warnings and other instructions in the applicable owner's manual before use. Always wear the proper safety equipment. To install an attachment to the power head, simply loosen the joint knob. Twist the set pin knob 180 degrees from its locked position and firmly insert the attachment tube so that the black arrow on the attachment tube is aligned with the projection just ahead of the set pin knob. Once the attachment is inserted fully, an audible click will be heard from the set pin knob as it locks the attachment in place. Once fully inserted, use the joint knob to secure the attachment as shown. The power head should never be run without an attachment or damage to the power head may occur. Before operating the VersAttach Trimmer Attachment, let's identify the trimmer components. The major components of the trimmer cutter attachment are the shaft tube, grass debris shield, gear case, cutting line head, cutting line, the cutting line knife, and the cutting head holder. Once the attachment is securely installed, it's recommended to inspect the trimmer and the power head for possible safety concerns like loose parts or damaged safety guards. Never operate the trimmer without the safety guards installed. Always hold the trimmer to your right side to prevent contact with the hot muffler. With the engine started and running, use the trimmer in a sweeping motion from left to right to trim the desired grass area. It's recommended to increase the throttle to full speed for maximum grass cutting efficiency and allow the engine to idle when not trimming grass. When the trimmer cutting line becomes shortened, apply throttle to maximum and then tap the trimmer head on the ground, which will extend the line. It will be necessary to replace the trimmer cutting line occasionally, and to do so requires these simple steps. First, be sure that the power head engine switch is in the off position and that the engine is off. With a trimmer on a workbench or the ground, locate the trimmer head cap. Squeeze the two tabs that secure the cap to the cutting head and remove the cap as shown. Remove the trimmer line spool. Remove and discard any remaining cutting line left in the spool. Cut a length of new trimmer cutting line and bend the line as shown. Then, hook the center rib of the spool and wind in the direction of the arrow for each section. Once you have wound the line for each section, place the cutting line into the corresponding notch to hold the line in place. Leave approximately 4 inches of cutting line beyond each notch. Do this for both sections. Then, reinstall the spool into the trimmer head with the cutting line notches in line with the openings. Reinstall the spool cover with the corresponding holes lined up with the spool notches as shown. Firmly press the cover tabs into the trimmer head, being sure that the tabs are securely locked into place. Keeping your VersAttach trimmer clean and free of debris will not only extend its life but keep it looking good for years to come. Only attempt to clean portions of the trimmer and power head with the engine off and the engine switch in the off position. Never use water or a water hose to clean the trimmer. With a few simple maintenance steps, your VersAttach trimmer can be trouble-free for years to come. Before each time you use the trimmer attachment, closely inspect the trimmer for loose or damaged components including the grass debris shield and trimmer head. Replace any damaged components or see your Honda Power Equipment dealer if you need assistance. About every 20 hours of usage, the trimmer gear case should be greased using NLGI No. 2 grease or equivalent. To grease the trimmer gear case, use the supplied hex wrench to loosen and remove the grease nipple on the gear case and set it aside. Add grease until no more grease can be added, then reinstall the grease nipple and wipe up any excess grease. For additional information regarding the VersAttach Trimmer Attachment, refer to your owner's manual or contact your Honda Power Equipment dealer.